Aishka Siam Nistelicha. The stated mission of our Lummi Indian Business Council is to not leave anybody behind. We hold our hands up for a group of people, a group of individuals who have come together to help. They are called stepping stones.
It's an amazing service that the tribe provides, but without supportive housing, those services aren't nearly as effective. And what we're seeing with the structure, whether it be Shillelagh Village or here, that we're providing a home that is led with love and empathy and compassion, and allowing the peer-to-peer support to really take effect and work.
Every homeless person needs a home to develop a plan and execute it.
My friend has never been able to unpack, ever. You know, she lives out of a bag and has her whole life.
You can't feel at home when you haven't settled in completely, when you haven't unpacked all of your belongings. Because if you're not unpacking or letting all parts of yourself be exposed, you don't feel comfort.
Some of our people were freezing in their sleeping bags. I'm just trying to survive, and I'm freezing. Something that we couldn't walk away from. Just trying to provide a warm place. Started to see children come into the home after.
When I see Nick doing this, I thought I'm ready to get involved. So today I'm involved. You know, we have weekly meetings, and Nick's really adamant about tenants, you know, following their plan, being responsible, paying rent, and going to mental health care, you know, groups, counseling, and executing their plans.
I never pictured myself here when I was living in a tent a mile away from the casino 3 years ago, but with a lot of hard work, I'm able to be excited for my future. I was able to get my cumulative GPA from a 1.9 to a 4.0 in 3/4. I was terrified of coming back to Lummi when I was getting out of treatment, because every other time I've gotten out of treatment, I've always ended up using again after getting out and coming back to Lummi. So it was really scary, but with the help of Nick and a lot of the people at Stepping Stones, I got to build up my own support system here in Lummi, away from the drugs and alcohol.
You know, these guys opening these homes gives people that structure and that stability to be able to start focusing on themselves and on their goals, building themselves back up, to be able to do what they need to do so that they can keep going in life, and also passing it down to our children who are our future.
When we started this, we didn't know what we're doing. We were just community members that wanted to help. We realized quickly that we need other people to help, and partnerships and relationships. Partnering with the services that Lummi provides. You know, currently our main partners that we work with is our care department, our behavioral health, New Beginnings program, which has fatherhood enrichment. Specifically for this house, ICW and CPS, drug court and probation. Outside of Lummi, we partner primarily with Catholic Community Services, Opportunity Council. We partnered with other nonprofits, Homes Now. We also are part of a larger collective of nonprofits called Communities of Concern, partnering with nonprofits down in Seattle, Chief Seattle Club, as well as Mother Nation, that all focus on addressing either minority social justice aspects or specifically tribal social justice around homelessness.
Homes can change and grow or fall apart, but the beauty of a home is it reminds you of how hard you've worked to make it what it is.
I knew that my life was going to change. I just didn't know how to go about it. I didn't know how to reach for it and where to start, who to talk to, and such big impact in my life, you know, with this home being opened up to us as tribal members and people of struggle
This whole program has been such a blessing to so many people. It really has.